good evening to all. This is Dr. L. Ramesh, Chairman of Energy Efficiency Research Group, Green 9. And as we already requested and I communicated, we are going to have today the interaction for 20 minutes, how to be an energy ambassador within 90 days. So that is what our today's hot topic, which I am going to address you for 20 minutes. In the first session, I am going to explain you about the importance of energy ambassador and how a public or club members or students or kids can able to crack the ambassador certifications. Yes. So this is very interesting that the present scenario, the energy which is very essential, which we need to conserve energy, very important to conserve energy, and this conservation which we are looking into the energy ambassador certifications. So this energy ambassador certification will look on, the people will go to the home and do the audit. After completing the audit, they will come out and update in our app. Like that it will be processed. So let me go with the application oriented this concept. We have a procedure called save one unit procedure. So this is the procedure. So in detail, all the detail will be available in our website. So we will give the website www.green9.org. In that website you can able to view. So which I am going to address you about the ambassadors. Yes. So let us assume that so we have 18 clubs in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala. All the students, the club, each club having 50 to 60 members, and that member, there is a two part. These members, how they will go and execute the audit, and other non-club members, how to participate. First I will talk about the club members, only club members, how to participate, and the same procedure how the non-member can able to adapt. So the concept is very simple. The students or any participants, first you need to identify one house. Yes, your house is identified. Then after house is identified, you have to register with our Green 9 NSWA Club app, which is available in Google Play Store. When you search in the Google Play Store Green 9 NSWA Club, it will come. So you have to register in the app. If you are a club member, you will register with respect to the club name. If you are a non-club member, you register with respect to public or register with respect to Green 9 member. Yes, you registered, that is your second part. After registration, you will generate the membership certificate or membership card from the profile. In the app you will go and there is an option called profile. That profile you can able to download the members ID card. Yes, now you are a member of Green 9. Then fix the appointment with the residents. So I told you already, identify the home to be audited. Now fix the appointment and make available that all family members present when you are going for the audit. Then distribute the GE2 1 unit save poster to the family members and explain all the 9 mantras. All 9 mantras to save 1 unit. So this is the 9 mantras which the Green 9 already announced by Minister Pandya sir. And these 9 mantras they have to detail explain with the general public. Right. Once that process is over, so you have doubt that how to explain these 9 mantras. Yes. We have a YouTube channel, iGen TV YouTube channel is there. That YouTube channel, we already given 4 or 5 videos related to this, how to explain these 9 mantras. Yes, once you explain the 9 mantras in the house, then conduct the preliminary audit. Yes, conduct the preliminary audit with GE3 procedure. We have the GE3 procedure. This is called GE3 procedure. So we have the GE3 procedure. I will tell you. So this GE3 procedure is called Home Energy Preliminary Audit. Yes, Home Energy Preliminary Audit. Got it? This Home Energy Preliminary Audit, which consists of around 23 questions, are there. Yes, what this participant able to do, participants able to do, they have to go to the house and do all this analysis. These 23 questions has to be asked, and for let us example, I will tell some good interesting questions. Have you have habit of switch off all the equipments when not in use? Yes or no? This is one question. And are you happy with the quality of power delivered to your house? This is another question. Do you frequently clean the filter of the air conditioner? And some other questions I will tell you. Mention the regular electrical fault occur in your house. Are you aware of earthing condition in your house? So this is what the basic questions which the residents has to answer for you. Yes, once this part is over, and so now this procedure is over and you are getting all the content related to this. Yes, done. Next you come to the after conducting the preliminary audit with GE procedure, collect the data through GE4 template. We have another GE4 template. So this GE4 template, you have to collect all the data. What it means data? Let us example, we need to collect all the information from the house. In the kitchen, what are the lights they used, whether they used heater or whether they used the oven, what is the rating of the oven, what is the rating of the AC, like that all information to be collected here. Not only that, here it is written, see here, number of equipments, whether it is star rated, age of the equipments, and time of use per day, total unit consumed per day. So this total unit consumed per day to be very well, it is to be observed. Okay, now that this complete data you are getting from the house. We have two pages, this page and this page. The complete data people has to collect from all the information from the houses. Yes, now that part is over. Then you have to take one audit photo with residents. You have to take one audit photo with the residents, because you are in the house and with the family members, take one audit photo with the residents. After discuss with the faculty mentor and complete the recommendation. Then now you are having preliminary data with you and you are having the data observation sheet with you. Okay, once, because now you are, yes, good, you collected all the information, then you have to go with another form called recommendation form, Home Energy Audit Recommendation. So this is a form called Home Energy Audit Recommendation, Green 9 Home Energy Audit Recommendation. And this recommendation itself, it is clearly mentioned, very clearly we mentioned that what all the recommendation to be done, because from the data collected you have to come out with analysis. And let us example, recommendation to reduce wastage energy. Yes, what all the, because the from data you identified that some wastage is there, people are not switching off the lights properly, and some wastage is there, people for the phantom loading, maybe phantom loading losses is there, and some unnecessary usage of the appliances which is there. So identify that all and come out with the wastage, and you have to give the recommendation how to reduce the wastage, right? And some other recommendation for optimal heating and cooling. This is very important, how to optimize for the AC and all the parts. Once this part is over, optimal earthing and with saving, at last very clearly it is written what are the expected energy saving. Let us assume that that house monthly electrical consumption is some electrical consumption is around 1000 units, and they are paying about 3000 rupees. That 3000 rupees, what are the recommendation you are going to give to reduce it 500 rupees per month or reduce 1000 rupees per month? That is the recommendation which you need to suggest. Here all the things are there. You have to give what are the unit per month savings if these recommendations are implemented. Now you are clear? So now people come out with the audit, and after audit they come out with the observation. After observation, now all data consolidated and written the recommendation. The first page is recommendations, what are the units saved. Second page recommendation, what are the units saved. Right, now final conclusion, yes, this is the unit saved. After finishing this, you have to get approved from your faculty advisor or your senior mentors. After the approval is completed, then come to the next procedure. Next procedure is the upload the recommendation and necessary documents in Green 9 app. Upload the recommendation and necessary document in Green 9 app. I told you already that process only we are discussing. That app you have to upload the recommendation, because this is a recommendation you have to upload. Okay, now the recommendation is uploaded. Then submit the recommendation to the audited home. Yes, now you have to go second time you are going to the house and submit the recommendation what you suggested, and make aware that the house has to be implemented the recommendation. Make aware that house has to be implement the recommendation. It is very important. Why? Because the people will be lethargic in not implementing the recommendation. So you have to tell them, yes, there is a 3 type of recommendation. In that 3 type of recommendation, first part is there is no investment. So people will be very happy that when there is no investment. Yes, when no investment, people will be very happy and they will start implementation. Once you give the recommendation, then after that you have to demonstrate 3 part there. What is the demonstrate? One is earthing, electrical safety, troubleshooting to the house members. These 3 part you need to explain them. What is meant by earthing? Because it is very important. All houses has to know about the earthing. Earth voltage to be maintained below 5 volt. If the earth voltage increase by 20 volt, 30 volt, there will be a shock in the wall. It is dangerous for us. So based on that, people will suggest our this. You have to suggest the house how to rectify that, all the things. Troubleshooting and electrical safety. You have to give the awareness about the electrical safety, how to escape from the electric. If there is a electric shock is there. Yes, most of the people not know what happen, what need to do when electric shock is there. That has to be taught to the house residents. Next, troubleshooting to the house members. Yes, this is a basic troubleshooting where Green 9 come out with some ideas. That ideas to be demonstrated to the house. For example, if there is a fan, when we switched on the fan is not rotating. What to do first? What to do second? What to do 3? If there is a 10 procedure, up to 5th point, anyone can able to do. After 6th point only, the concern they have to call the electrician to do the job. So this is what the troubleshooting. Then now you are in the house. Okay, make understand the resident to implement recommendation. You have to make understand the resident to implement the recommendation. Okay, now it is over. Yes, we are happy. Yes, wait for 1 month to 2 months. So 2 months you need to wait. In between the 2 months, you have to continuously have chat with them. Yes, madam, sir, whether you implemented our recommendation or not. Maybe 5 recommendation, whether you implement, you forced them to implement the recommendation one by one. Once this process is over, 2 months gone. After 2 months, you have to go post audit the house after 2 months and measure savings through GE6. We have another template called GE6. This is called post audit template. What is meant by post audit? Post audit is the same kind of audit. Once the audit is completed, after 2 months, the people will go and do the post audit and measure the unit which the respected home saved. Unit consumption saved and wastage energy saved. See here, one implemented recommendation to reduce wastage energy. What is it? Suppose you given 5 recommendation. Out of 5, how many recommendation they implemented? That is what one question is there. Whether implemented mini solar power generation are there. It's because the recommendation we will suggest to implement or mini solar power. Whether they implemented the safety. At last it will tell. First, when you started the preliminary audit, you are asking about the monthly bill. Now, in the post audit, you are asking about the monthly bill. 2 monthly bill will tell you what is the savings achieved. Yes, last 1 month, let us assume that savings achieved 30 units per month. That will be your saving. So 1 month you are saving, you saved 30 units. Let us example, maybe 365 days, 365 units. This simple example I am talking about. But when you give strong recommendation, there is a possibility of 100 to 200 to 300 units saving per month is possible with this audit. So if there is 1,000 units per month unit consumption is there, so with respect to your audit, 300 to 400 units saved per month, yes, you are great, because you feels that you given very good recommendation. Okay, now post audit is over. After post audit, next come next the upload the savings in Green9 app and complete the first audit process. You have to upload the savings in again Green9 app and complete the process. Now you first house completed, yes, like the same you have to continue the second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, like that continue till 49, and you have to complete the 50th house, right? When completing the 50th house, our app will automatically generate you a certificate, what that is called energy ambassador certificate. You will be declared as bronze energy ambassador. Yes, you will be declared as bronze energy ambassador. Why we are declaring as bronze energy ambassador? Because before this, once you submitted all the document, we have a review committee. That review committee will call you and just have a personal interview with you, whether you done good things or not, and whether you able to get some skills or like that. Once the committee is satisfied, you will get a certificate. The app will generate a certificate. Yes, now you are a bronze energy ambassador certificate. Why we are doing this? Because you are personally chatting with 50 family and giving ideas, giving solutions for the families. That is the reason you are declared. You can continue by 50 to 100, you will be declared as a silver ambassador, and then 200, 300, 500 is the platinum ambassador. So this is what the stage of that. You can take more time, 6 months, 1 year or 2 years to become a platinum ambassador. And when you become a silver ambassador, when you become a platinum ambassador, the grade will be more. It means you will receive a sealed or a memento plus a pin from the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awardee. So we have a mentor, and that mentor will felicitate you with a very grand award functions. So maybe in the silver ambassadors, bronze ambassador only certificate will be there. Silver ambassador, platinum ambassador, gold ambassador will be felicitated in the award function in a very big celebration mode. Right. So this is till 50, you will get an ambassador. If you want to continue after that, you will continue, and we are giving another part to convert this document as a report. Convert this report as a publication. That we will help you. For example, you completed 50 houses. Continue to complete 100 houses. Now you are having 100 house data with you. Yes. This 100 house data, you have to do the analysis. What is the analysis? Critical analysis you need to do. Once you finish the critical analysis, you have to write a super report. We have another template. That template is called G7. That G7 will tell you how to write a intermediate report. So this is called intermediate report. And because you are having now, I told you silver ambassador, 100 houses are there. Data of 100 houses is there. This 100 houses data, you are converting as a report. Because let us assume that you have to tell to the public that I communicated, I done an audit in 100 houses, and it states that 85% not serious in earthing, or 80% houses there is a 20% wastage energy is there. Like that, you have to come out with some 6 or 7 plans. Once this is identified, then you have to give a recommendation, consolidated recommendation you need to give, right? Okay, now consolidated recommendation is given. Conversion of that report to the publication, again we will help you. You have to publish a good research paper in Scopus or Web of Science conference or journals. So that all our Green9 will support you, help you. Now it not only your ambassador, you will become the ambassador, and you will become you publish one report and you publish one paper. So this is a full process which we are having, and this is the procedure. Again I am showing you. I told you already, our procedures are, all the templates are available in the Green9 website, that is www.green9.org. You can download all and collect all the information to get all the things. Okay, so now you know that I already told about the first the tag. What is the tag? Is the how to be an energy ambassador within 99 days. Why we called 99 days? Because the first month you are going to take a audit, giving 2 months time, and the third month only 99th day you are going for conducting the post audit and completing all the parts. Got it? Right. So thank you for the first session. Now you come to the question session. Okay. So this question session, I think we had already some questions in the personal wall. Whether our teams are there, let me check with the team what are the questions, and maybe some more you check it in the FB also if anyone asked questions also. Those who are there, you can able to ask the questions in the FB now itself. So we will be available another 10 minutes. You can address your questions in the comments so that we will address. So welcome your questions there, and meanwhile we will address the questions which is already communicated in the personal wall. Yes, the
first question, sir. Who all are eligible to become an energy ambassador?
Okay, so the who all are eligible to become an energy ambassador? All are eligible to become an energy ambassador. There is a I told you two section is there. One section is the club. I told you we are having clubs in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, in India. These club members, there is a separate process eligible. They will be registered in the app through their colleges and start the audit process. And general public, if you are a general public, you will register in the app like a general public and start the process. And you have one question, how I will start, sir? Who will help you? Because the club members, we are giving training. All the 18 club members, we already given the training for how to conduct a audit. Now, for the public and for the Green 9 members, we have a YouTube channel. That YouTube channel, we already posted some videos. That videos will help you to conduct the energy audit. Got it? Clear now.
Second question. Non-registered clubs or members, how to participate?
That I addressed in the first question itself. Non-registered club members, how to participate? Maybe you are in Norway, you are in Australia, you are in Canada. How to participate? That is what the non-member can participate. You will register through app like a public. Register through app like a public. That is what I told. Anyone can register in the app. You have to register through public and start the audit. Yes.
Third question. Whether individual member eligible to participate?
Whether individual member eligible to participate? That yes, all individual member are eligible to participate. Only little tricky in that, because the club members we are giving training for conducting the audit, and we are going to next week. Already 2-3 videos are there in the YouTube, and we are going to present you one complete day video on energy auditing. Some sample video on energy auditing, and some students, already our students did a lot of audited. That audit videos also we are going to post, so that will help you to know about the audit, then start the work. Okay. Next question.
If I am interested, how to start the energy ambassador program?
Okay. If I am interested, how to start the energy ambassador program? Right. Yes. If you are interested, immediately go to our Facebook page or go to our website. There is in the Facebook page there is a separate group we created. That is a energy ambassador. Energy ambassador separate page group is there. You have to go to click that group. There is a registration link is there. Register in the registration link and start the work. In that registration link, we will given all the information how to after register what to do and how to complete. Okay, next question.
So whether kids are eligible?
Whether kids are eligible? Yes, kids are eligible, but little tough for the kids because the lot of technical contents are there. We have supported phone number is there. We have the supporting number. You can call by 9440 71933. That number I will be available, and I can able to support help you for kids or any public for supporting your audits. Okay.
So how to learn conducting audit?
How to learn conducting audit? Yes, that question answer also I already told, because the YouTube, again I told you, in the YouTube channel we are posted some video and some other video we posted and going to post. So that video will help you to how to because these all are self-explanatory only. All templates will help you to conduct your audit. Again I am telling, this paper is enough for you. because this paper we clearly written all the procedures, all the procedure, all templates. If you follow, then you can able to finish the audit. Okay, next.
Sir, it's from comment section, sir.
Okay, in the comment section, some
Yeah.
questions are okay.
Is it comes under the business aspect? He means that he can start as a startup business.
No. So actually, we are a NGO, non-profit organization. It is not a business, because we are doing for a service to the society. The auditing where the students are auditing, where the public, those who are doing, all are complimentary. They are not supposed to charge any cost from the public. So we are very clear in that. Without any charge, as a token of love, token of environmental initiative only, which we are working on that to reduce the demand. So once this auditing ambassador will be there, tomorrow Green 9 will come out with some 100 or 500 ambassador. Through that 500 ambassador, there is a very huge amount of demand got reduced. That is what the things. Any other questions? Call. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So I hope this session will be very interesting, and so this is the first initiative. The same live programs will be available in the coming weeks. Every weeks we are planning to have the live, and each week's maybe we have, I told you 17 clubs are there, and each people will come out and share their experience every week, so that it will be the very interesting. And I'm happy that I'm sorry, our vice chairman, due to some official work, he is little delay. He is now only came. Welcome, Bala. Just you tell hi to the people so that we can. He got stuck in again Chennai traffic. Yes, Bala. I think we completed all the process.
Yes.
The procedure we completed.
Very great, sir.
Procedure we told very clearly all, and what to do, and some questions also people asked, that all very clear.
Okay.
Just you address about the ambassador and little part, then we can conclude it.
Okay, so good evening to everyone. So sorry for the delay. So it's the program devised for ambassador. So the ambassador is the program which makes an opportunity for everyone. So who wants to dedicate themselves for a greener world. So whoever want to dedicate themselves for a greener world. So people who are thronging for to do some dedication to the environment, they can become an ambassador. So whoever may be a student, so who want to volunteer themselves, they can become an ambassador. So it's an easy program where within 99 days you can become an ambassador. The first thing you need to do is you need to dedicate at least minimal of 10 minutes per day to dedicate yourself for your home itself. So from your home you can deliver something for the country. Means try to audit yourself, audit your home, to make sure that whatever wastage energy that is being generated in your home, that need to be audited. The audit process makes you very simple. You need not wander around or search around to get the information. We have the 9 mantras that is being given to you, so which is live now, so which can be visibly seen there. So it's as simple as it is that you can follow these 9 mantras to make yourself comfortable in gaining 1 unit equivalent of energy. So 1 unit is equivalent to 700 liters of water saving. So plus you can contribute yourself for reducing of 1.3 kilograms of carbon dioxide emission. So in that case, what you need to do is simple process. Whatever appliances you are going to utilize, you just make sure that it is optimal and it is deliberately delivering the things. So the first thing is that whenever you switch on your appliances, you make sure that you are also switching it off after usage. That is the main issue. So whenever you switch it on, say for example, when you get into your room, you just switch it on to search around. But when you go out, you just need to make a point that you are going to save something for the country. So it is for your home as well. But whenever you are going to save the energy, so it is going to be the contribution for the country as well. The first thing. The second thing is that so you need to make sure that the appliances are cleaned regularly so that the efficiency of the equipment is retained every day. So that is the second point. So you need to clean the equipment. Say for example, so when the fan is there, so fan would be attracting lot of dust. So the dust need to be cleaned on a regular basis so that the equipment would have an optimal efficiency. So that is the cleaning process. You can also put it in the other word, like all the appliances. Say for example, tube light, AC, and other appliances, which could be very much easier for you to clean. It means you can also put one people to clean it. If you don't find time, so at least put one people to clean it so that the efficiency is retained, thereby the unit is being conserved. So thereby 50 to 60% of the energy wastage is being regulated. The third thing is that we need to work on with the star rating. So the star rating is something like the equipment is managed efficiently in order to make sure that the equipment is having a star rated thing. So say for example, so if you want to reduce your energy, you need to make sure that the equipment purchased have star rated equipments. So 3-star rating and 4-star rating would be very much lesser amount, but go for a 5-star rating where the costlier thing is not very much important, but it would be on long term basis, it would be very much easier for you to conserve energy. The fourth thing is that energy can be conserved for your luminosity index. So you need not be an educated person to look at it, but make sure that a lighting which is visible for your reading habits can be done with a lamp itself, a simple lamp. A table lamp can do that. Instead of switching on all the lights illuminating everywhere, but you can just put on your headlamp to read a document which is in the dark. So that would make sure that you are conserving energy. The fourth thing is that regularly you need to make sure that the defrosting process is done. So defrosting is something like nowadays it is being automated. So everything automation is also going to pull energy. But make a point that whatever materials you want to keep it in your fridge, make sure that it is useful and it is also healthier food. So that is being kept for 1 hour or 2 hours only, not for days together. So it would also consume more energy. Make a point that regularly you keep the material and remove it, clean the fridge and also defrost it to make sure that the energy is being conserved there. And heavier equipments is something like motors, heaters and other equipments which is going to be taking higher load. So which is going to be a load for your equipment as well as it is a load for the grid as well. So make sure that it is been peak shaved. It's something like whenever you come out of home, so you make a point that it is being switched on around 11:30, 12 o'clock in your home or in the midnight, so that the washing machine and other loads are being catering the current value, so which is going to be lesser at the time of off-peak hours. So it makes sure that your current billing is also being reduced. So at the time of 230 volt present in the offload peak work, so you can have an ampere rating of 5 amps. Equipment which is consuming 5 amps will be giving an efficiency of 100% with a lesser current value, so maybe 3 amps. So power equal to VI cos phi. So the power factor is also been increased to 1 unity power factor, so that your power value is being increased efficiently. So the last but not the least, it is very much important, it's about the phantom load or ghost load, which is the power. So all the 6 equipments, whatever appliances, what we told is something like it is visible and it is also possible for you to reduce. But the seventh part is very much important because it's ghost power or phantom power, which is not been noticed by anyone. So noticeable things are always very much easier for you to reduce, means it is impossible, because regularly the charges are accumulated in our homes. We think that AC current is more efficient and we moved on to AC, but nowadays we have converted to DC current. But the DC has a charger. So the charger, we don't say that the charger is going to smaller value, but we need to make a point that when it is not in use, we need to switch it off, as charging and discharging cater a small value. So when we do wrong thing for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it's not wrong, means multiple times it make a big problem as well. So we need to reduce it to the phantom power. So the optimal temperature setting of fridges or water heaters, so it need to be maintained. Nowadays the new water heaters has come up. For 25 liters you need not switch it on for 1 hour or 2 hours, but set a point that it is having a maximum optimal point of 100 degrees Celsius within 2 minutes, means 2 minutes is the optimal temperature point that you can keep up. The last but not the least is that you have achieved your 1 unit conservation plan, and you have a saving of 100 rupees. Say for example you have savings of 100 rupees, means invest it further in order to make sure that the investment makes you a zero billing for your home. As energy is an universal for everyone, and make sure that the energy is being conserved for 1.5 units following the 9 mantras. But our aim is to reduce at least 1 unit per day or per month or per year. It depends on the individual. But make a point that you make an habit of saving energy. So that is our concern. So whoever wants to do that one, join us for the 999 challenge. The challenge is open to you. So make sure that you are contributing for the country with your 100 friends initially. And if you want to make a big contribution or you want to make a change to the world, just contribute for 999 people. So with that, we want to say high five to everyone. So high five with energy saving. Thank you for your time.
Super, Vice Chairman. And we come to the conclusion, and I'm happy to share you another one information. Our Green 9, we are connected with the Sustainable Development Goal, United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, and we are working towards 4 specific goals, taken 4 specific goals, and working towards that affordable energy, affordable and sustainable energy. 4 or 5 goals we taken, and with that only we started working. So here you are seeing that sustainable logos, that so this logo, which I'm happy that to share you, this logo maybe last February 19 it is received from a Professor Jens from Alabag University. He was very happy with our activities when he visited Chennai and visited our university, Dr. MGR Education Research Institute, and when he was presented Lifetime Achievement Award, he was very happy with the activities, and he transferred this Sustainable Development Goal logo pin with his blazer coat and transferred to me, and told that with your Green 9 you take the Sustainable Development Goal to the whole country. So that is what the prestigious things which we are already working on that, but recently that logo got transferred to the Green 9 team. So thank you so much, and happy that today all the participants, those who participated and those who viewed today, and those who are going to view in future, please go through our